Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can log into your Meetup account. So if this sounds helpful, then watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Press the bell icon so you get notified every time we post. Now to log in, you'll need to firstly open the website of Meetup, which is meetup.com. After you land on the website of Meetup, you'll need to click on the login option located on the top right. Now choose the option that you used while creating your account. You can either use your email address or you can choose any of these options. After you type in this information, you can click on login. And just like that, you have been logged into your Meetup account. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And that will be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.